guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. I am in a spring spirit today. Couldn't tell by my really pretty dress here, which is from Loft. I will link it down below for you. And I'm going to be unboxing the FabFitFun spring box today, which I'm so excited about. You guys know I love FabFitFun so much. I've been literally getting their boxes for so long, and it's introduced me to so many brands, so many just awesome products that will take you through the whole season. So thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. I love working with FabFitFun so much. You're gonna see like all these amazing products. So they're all full size, and it is a seasonal box. So instead of the every month situation, it's every season, which I love because I'm from New England, so the seasons here are solid. Every few months a new season comes, and this really gears towards giving you products to get you through that season, things that you'll really use and really need. I can't tell you guys how many things I've seriously used like all season long in each FabFitFun box. So inside here we'll find like fashion, wellness, beauty, lifestyle, a little bit of everything, and like I said, it's all full-size products. Okay, so each of these boxes are $49.99, but in here, because they're all full-size and amazing products, they're valued at over $200 every single time, so you really get your money's worth in here. I've especially found that myself. So I also do have a little $10 off code for you guys. You guys can get $10 off your first box with the code Fearless. I will put the link down below and the info in the description box. So like I said, this is seasonal. It comes 4 times a year, and they just released their spring box, so you're going to want to go snag that now. They're going quick. I cannot wait to see what's in here, and I love this box with all this like girl cuteness on it. I love it. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It always comes with a little newsletter, which I always really love to read. It's like a little newspaper, and it's really fun. Oh look, Step by Step Alex Garza's Ombre Lip Look. I love her channel, so we'll definitely have to check that out. Okay. Dun dun dun. Ooh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Why is this so exciting? It's like Christmas. 4 times a year with stuff you'll actually use. So the first thing I see here is this Ish Lip Statement Palette, and I'm excited to see. Ish has really good stuff. I think it's like FabFitFun's in-house brand, but I've used their, I think, contour and highlight palette before, and it was really good. So I know that they make really quality products. And the ISH stands for I'm Smoking Hot, which I always think is really cool. We're smoking hot. Ooh, oh my gosh, this palette is gorgeous. Look at all the different colors on here. I love it. We have like a lot of fun colors, and we also have like a nice nude selection. This is great, and I love the huge mirror. You guys know I really appreciate a good mirror, so I cannot wait to play with this. I will definitely be trying it out in a tutorial soon. I just like have to see, like, look at the pigment on that. I just had to do like one swatch. That color is so spring and so gorgeous. Oh, I'm so ready for spring, but it's not that far away. We're almost there. Okay, so next here we have this cute little turquoise bag, and it's from Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. Oh, I love this necklace. So cute. A little love necklace. Oh, I love that. I love that. This is really cute though, and it's really my style. I love like dainty little necklaces like this, so I will definitely be wearing that. So adorable. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's like a little clutch, or it says Rachel Pally on the front. I love doing these videos. It's so much fun. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. This clutch is so cute. So it can open up like this as well. Oh, I love it. So you can kind of just like carry it around like this, or you could even use it as like a travel bag and fill it up. But I love the colors. This just screams like 70s spring to me. I love it. Love the mustard, and the side's like a nice faux leather. We have that nice gold detailing and all these little flowers. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is from Free People. Look how cute this sleep mask is. I have never tried a sleep mask, but I will now. Oh my goodness. Why do I feel like it has something in here? Oh, I think this is like a cooling packet. A cooling gel packet you can put in here. And look how pretty it is. This is so my style. Like that really peachy nude with the gold and silver stars. And you can put this in your fridge and depuff your eyes. Okay, I love this. Okay, so next we have a skincare product from Murad. It's a skin perfecting lotion. So this is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish prone skin with honey extract, smoother, healthier looking complexion. Yes, this is exactly what I need for my acne prone face. I will definitely be trying that out. Ooh, what is this? From Dermalect, it's their Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. For visibly damaged nails, ridges, yellowing, discolored, acrylic or gel, dehydrated, weak, brittle, or spotted. That'll be great when I take my acrylics off. Good to know, especially if your nails get, you know, when you take your acrylics off and your nails are like really weak and kind of brittle. So I will definitely be using this, like I'm gonna need it. Yay, good timing. Don't know what is in here. It's like a mystery. It's like opening a present. Ooh. Oh yes, a bunch of lip masks. The funniest thing is I've tried these before, this specific brand, and I'm obsessed with them. It's the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. So you put it on for like 15 or 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week, and you take them off and your lips just feel so hydrated. They look more plump and refreshed and like way better, especially after going through like this long winter. I'm sure our lips are all kind of dry now that we're moving out of the cold season. So I'm really excited to have more of these because I really, really loved them. Ooh, yay! I think we have a candle. I'm so excited. I just burnt out my last candle, which is shocking, except for that one. That's my like pretty filming candle. So this looks gorgeous. It's number 14, Super Bloom, Basil, Tangerine Leaf, and Anise, Violet, Geranium, Lily of the Valley, Jasmine Rose, Rosewood, and Cashmere Musk. That sounds perfect. From Anderson Lily. So let's see how it smells. Ooh, I love the packaging. This rose gold tin. Oh my gosh. If that's not the smell of spring, I don't know what is. That literally just smells like I'm walking into a fresh garden. I'm not even kidding. Oh my gosh. I want to light it right now. It smells so good. What is this? What are these? A massage roller. Serious results and serious relief. Use this massage roller after a workout to give your muscles some sweet relief. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I've actually been going back to the gym and I'm a little bit sore. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this out. Ooh, I like it. And then we have a little sample of the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I always love getting a little extra sample. Don't forget, you guys can get your first box for $10 off for their FabFitFun spring box. You can use the code FEARLESS. Again, check out the description box down below. I am so excited to try out all these products. Like, I'm still dying over how cute this little mask is. Love how this smells. Why is the smell of fresh flowers? Like, that smells like fresh flowers. Why is that the best smell ever? Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I just love unboxing these, and I know you guys love these videos. You always request them. So now you can get the box too, and we can be twinnies and try out all these products together. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.